जब ये आइडिया ही उदय ने मुझे कहा कि ये कॉन्फ्रेंस करना है, मगर दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस विल बी एट द नेशनल एंड देयरफॉर द टाइटल इज वन डे नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन रेरा एंड कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट. और we were thinking this was a dream. Our entire team was thinking, Anand Patwardhan is there, founders are there, Bafna ji was there, everything. But Uday said, we will do this national conference. और मुझे अभी याद आ रहा है जब यहाँ मैं सबको देखता हूँ, आज कंकर कंकर शंकर है, बूंद बूंद गंगा है और मस्तक मस्तक हिमालय है. और ये सुशाल काय भारतवर्ष का ज्ञान सागर यहाँ मौजूद है. इसका कारण ये है कि हमारी एक इच्छा थी कि इतने सुंदर ऑडिटोरियम में जो मैग्ना कार्टा का हॉल है वैसा ही ये ओपेरा हॉल है. इस हॉल में, और जो हॉल ब्रिटिशर्स ने नहीं बनाया मगर इंडियंस ने बनाया हुआ है, जो हमारे सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा, पिंकी आनंद जी ने, वो सच है. टुडे आई वाज गिवन अ टॉपिक सडनली बिकॉज एज डाके पालकर जी नोज एंड उदय नोज, my topic was going to be delivered by one of the renowned speaker, senior advocate Milind Sate. And the session is kept after the lunch. So I got remembered that I thank God I am not thrown before hungry lions, but I am definitely thrown before sleeping lions. And I want to awake them. So Uday said, you have a challenge and you are going to speak on digital world with reference to Consumer Protection Act, especially digital economy and challenges of consumer world. I remember my sister sent to my 75 years old father a bouquet of 75 roses, and it reached after 2 days. All of us were upset, all of us were very unhappy, but what was the solution? In fact, whenever I think of digital world, और किसी ने मुझे कहा कि सर आप जरूर एक शायरी दीजिए, और मैंने कहा जरूर दूंगा. When you talk of digital world today, it is like बरसात, मौसम बहुत सुहाना है, बरसात का बादल क्या जाने ये दीवाना, किस छत को भिगोना है किस छत को नहीं भिगोना. The reason is that all of us can't stay away from this digital world even if we want to. It has become part and parcel of our life. The younger generation who's here, the advocates of today and tomorrow, today are definitely, today our books are getting obsolete. Everybody is looking at the internet. Rajesh Varati madam is smiling because she always now refers to extension of the digital world. Justice Bangale supported our online filing, and I'm very proud to say that Maharashtra, with our bar's efforts, with leadership of the bar, of all the presidents, today Maharashtra is the first state in the nation to have online filing. We have Consumer Connect people present here who has done a wonderful job, and National Commission is also now thinking that we should have an online filing. Part of your life, whether you order food, whether you order the beverages, whether you order clothes, whether you order anything, or for that matter university admissions, or even booking of a ST bus ticket of the Asiad, today is totally computerized. You can't get away with it. And therefore it is necessary to know what are the future challenges of consumerism especially. Now looking at the slides which are here, they have been designed by Dr. Ashwini. Ashwini, please rise. She has done, she is a doctor by profession and scientist, but she is doing law and she has designed this slide. So let us give a thunders of applause to her. Let us now look at the first thing that we talk of digital world today, and that is branding. We have to look into branding ourselves. This concept is not new. Mahatma Gandhi is maybe the first was brand ambassador of India. But the branding today is so common that without branding you can't sell yourself as your product, as well as you as a lawyer. We also need branding. Various law firms need branding. Various law firms are today aware that they have to have their websites. Each lawyer has to have their website if we really want to survive. Now telecommunications, again, is a part of digital world. I understand when you do a virtual office, Alexa is a new software where you do not require a secretary in the office. You just order that Alexa, please call for me, and the Alexa will call any of your contacts which are fitted there. You tell Alexa, find out this judgment for me, and Alexa will find out the judgment for you. So today the technology and telecommunications, both, we have gone are those days that we used to type. we are now, all of us are operating online, all of us are operating correcting online. Those days of correction in typing has totally gone. Not only that, but you are now getting, you can dictate with the Dragon Dictate all the dictations that you have, and it is getting printed and ready. I see all my colleagues, young colleagues, carrying this laptop and using effectively the time in the court, and therefore digitization is a must for us. Now, what does this technology and innovation help us? It helps your shingle. When I talk of shingle, means shingle is nothing but those stones which are on a rounded stones, pebbles which are on a beautiful beach. If you know the technology, it helps you as if you are the sand on the beach where you can make your impressions, and these pebbles can carry through entire your business right from bottom to up. Cost effectiveness. You don't require offices to be purchased today. The younger lawyers I have seen are only hiring premises for their conferences. They are virtually using the office by the technology. Even coffee shops are used by lawyers now as in technological offices for conferences. Flexibility to support the innovation. Of course, what you require is these innovations have to be supported by you, and we ourselves have to learn. Gone are those days. Somebody told me when the online filing came, and this is, I am not saying about a particular judge, because our Bangale Sahab is very, very active on online complaints. And let me tell you the secret here. If you file an online complaint, my average 100 complaints which I have filed are finished in 1.5 years. Isn't that fast? So therefore, one of the judges asked me that Rathod Sahib will support me in that he is very active. But one of the judges asked me that if I turn the pages, I can see 2 judgments simultaneously. Can you show me on the system? And our system assistant said, sir, you can only see 2 pages. But by Windows, you can see 7 pages on one screen. You can see the complaint paragraph, you can see the written statement paragraph, you can see the judgment paragraph, and you can see the respective other findings of concurrent benches on a different pages by Windows. Divide your entire file in 7 pages and you can see that. That is the fastness of the technology which we have to use practically, and it has been happening. Another happy news I have to give you is entire Maharashtra, now the online filing is coming and forums have already started. Bombay forums are leading, though it is not yet started in India. Now growth, risk management. The problem is every time you increase your manpower, you increase your costing. If you have these systems and technologies at your command, you don't require much manpower in the office, or the existing manpower with networking can really effectively. I still remember that one day the person came to me, Naveen Jindal, I can quote this case, came to me on a Saturday, said there is a arrest warrant by a consumer forum of Hammam against Mr. Naveen Jindal for not issuing the 100 shares to a consumer. Order had been passed, execution was filed, and non-bailable warrant was issued. People on Friday night had left to arrest him from Hammam in Andhra Pradesh, which is 300 kilometers from Hyderabad, and it was a Saturday that he came to me. I was really stunned. How do I avoid this warrant and get a stay? We immediately contacted the Hammam, one of my colleague presidents of JCs there, who's a lawyer. This is a difficulty. He said, sir, you fax me the order, you send me an email, and you send me an undertaking on an email. Notarized undertaking can come by a fax, but send me an undertaking by email that you are complying the order. I will request the president and pass it on his email to pass an order by email, transfer it to me. We will get the certified copy on Monday, but police, respective police of the Bombay police as well as the Hyderabad police will be informed, and non-bailable warrant can be cancelled. And that was done. This is what is technology. The speed that technology has, the convenience that technology has, that today Uday Wavikar sitting in Delhi can ask to send his files or orders and the citations, and immediately those citations are on his mobile. I have seen him doing that, and you can immediately go ahead with the case. You don't require, many of us are doing that. So therefore, the innovations and technology is another part of it. The third part of it is technology requirements. We require computer-related hardwares, email, website, document management, online accounting, cloud storage. Now, most of you are aware of this, therefore I'm not going to explain it. Social media and client relationship management. Now you will say, sir, how the social media and client relationship management will help you? Believe me, friends, I've got a website, and now I have been advised that this should be a website which is interactive website. If your clients want a conference, you can today have an interactive conference on the phone or on the email, on your website, where you can have your social media. That is, if I load my programs of CNBC Awaaz or any interview that has been given or any new order which has come on the NDTV, that can be loaded on the Facebook and all my Facebook friends get it. So this is the kind of innovation and circulation of the judgments we have. I do not want to go, because this is one topic when it was given to me by Uday. And I said, why this topic, Uday? I can speak very well on RERA, I can speak very well on Consumer Protection Act. He said, it was your topic for PhD and therefore you should do it. I am sure Mr. Milind Sathe would have done better justice perhaps, but I get reminded of a story of a scientist who gave 24 lectures all over the United States of America on nuclear physics. And then he got sick, he fell ill, he had 104 fever, his driver was smart like me. He said, sir, give me your coat, suit and tie. You wear driver's cloth and I will deliver your lecture because I have recited it, though it was on nuclear physics. Driver was a better speaker. He gave a lovely lecture and it was so impressive, thunders of applause that you are going to give me was also there. But at the same time, when the question answers came, there was a problem. So he said, don't worry, you write down all the questions and then I'll answer. All of them wrote the questions, you saw the questions. These questions are so easy that my driver will answer it. So I'm really thankful to you. I only end up by saying that if we look at the consumer course today, the movement of consumerism, and we look at the movement that is happening in RERA, and we are here together with Bar Association of India. We are really thankful to you, Prashant Kumarji, President-elect, and his team, Anandita, everybody who's come. Even National Commission representatives have come here, Bar Association. We have Agarwal, Mrs. Agarwal, Bharat Sharma, all of them. So if I only would conclude by saying Shirish is there, he is a pioneer here in terms of consumerism and now in RERA. So all of us, I think, कहते हैं कि बात ही बात में विश्वास बदल जाता है. खास करके रेरा में रीडेवलपमेंट और बिल्डर के साथ रात ही रात में इतिहास बदल जाता है. पर तू मुसीबतों से ना घबरा, ये वकील और यहाँ के कंज्यूमर मूवमेंट के अगुवाई, उसमें सारे जजेस और सारे आ जाते हैं. कंज्यूमरिज्म के अगुवाई अगर तू चाहे तो धरती के आकाश बदल सकता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.